Hello and welcome to today's Mecad Minute. In this video I'm going to show you a very nifty feature in the SOLIDWORKS fillet tool. So let's open up our part. Okay, as you can see I've got a very basic part with a nice hole here on the left and a boss extrude on the right. If I go and add a fillet feature to these two edges, with a radius of 10 millimeters, you can see that it's completely going to overlap and remove that geometry. That's where this handy option comes in, keep features. If I have it disabled and I click OK, you can see the fillet completely closes those two features and removes them. However, if I have that option active, as you can see here, keep features active, you'll see it adds the fillet feature, but it also keeps that geometry. This way you can add features to the original model, and then at the end when you go and add your finishing features like fillets and chamfers, you can still keep the main components there. Thank you for watching.